Good afternoon, students. Next topic is secondary functions which are performed by the commercial banks. So under the secondary functions there are two parts: agency functions, general utility functions. So first of all we will discuss the agency functions. So what does mean agency? Bank play a role as the agent of the customers, means to say that bank performing so many functions on behalf of the customer, just like collection and payment of various items. If any customer wants to collect or he has to pay any amount from the other person, bank play as an agent, means on behalf of the customer bank can collect and pay the amount to the other person. Purchase and sale of security. If I talk about the purchasing and selling of shares, debentures and bonds, so bank is also helpful for the customer for the purchasing and selling of security. Next one is trustee and executor. On the other side, trustee and executor role is also played by the bank on behalf of the customer. Then next is remittance of the money. Remittance means dispatch of money or send the money from one place to another. So with the help of bank, we can send the money from one place to another, one branch to another. So purchase and sale of foreign exchange. So if I talk about the foreign currency or foreign exchange, so if through the foreign exchange, purchasing and selling of any kind of foreign securities, so this is also possible with the help of banks. Letter of reference means letter of recommendation about the customer, that the customer record is good or fraudulent. So a bank will frame a letter of recommendation that the record of that particular customer is good or not. Bank draft. Bank draft is a document with the help of this money can be sent from one place to another. Commission is paid, and these are the less risky. If I talk about the bank check or pay order, these are just like the bank draft. The difference is that banker's check is issued for the local purposes, and bank draft are draw or issues for the outside the local limits. So commission is paid in this case also, commission is paid in this case also. It will be dishonored by the drawee if it will be it will be not fake or false, means to say that these type of check or bills can be dishonored if there is any fraudulency, if is there any fake reasons are there. Okay, so these are the agency functions which are performed by the bank on behalf of the customers. Next one is general utility functions. So first of all, the local facility functions. As we all know beta, banks also provide a local facility to the customers, where we can keep the our legal documents, or we can say that the important documents for our business organizations, or instead of these we can keep the ornaments or our valuable jewelry in the banks also. Okay, so bank will charge nominal amount for this type of facility. Traveler's check or letter of credit. Bank also provide the facility of traveler's check to their customer who are traveling. With this facility, the customer need not to carry with them cash. He can travel safely or freely without any cash. The bank issue a letter of credit to their customer who are importing the goods and help them a lot. Okay, next one is business information and statistics. As the bank are aware of the economic condition, they can advise their customer on the financial matters by collecting business information and statistics. So these are the general utility functions which are performed by the commercial banks. Thank you so much.